Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will delve into a comprehensive analysis of Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of September, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed perspective. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to overlook any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 3rd of September, 2024, our system has identified Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.34. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 0.01%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.00% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often indicates a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $157.41 is breached, this would signal an increased rate of decline. The existing 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of approximately 12.45% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 13.11% to negative 2.58%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a possible change of 35.63% over the next year, with an anticipated return between 35.14% and 71.96%. This translates to a price range of $214.33 to $272.73 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for Google. The Google stock price rose by approximately 0.5% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 5th of September, 2024. The price increased from $157.81 to $158.60. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of over 2%, with a low of $157.53 and a high of $161.02. Over the past 10 trading days, the stock has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in a drop of over 5% during that period. The volume of shares traded decreased by 2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 14 million shares changing hands, amounting to approximately $2.2 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the last 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $193.30 and a low of $121.46. Currently, the price stands at roughly 18%, or $34.70, below the 52-week high and around 94%, or $2,368.39, below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of June, 2021, when the stock price peaked at $2,526.99. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, remains a pivotal player in the tech sector. However, recent developments highlight increasing regulatory pressures and uncertainties surrounding artificial intelligence. Analysts have recently adjusted their ratings for Alphabet, pointing out both the challenges and potential in its cloud segment. Google Cloud is experiencing strong revenue and profit growth, presenting a substantial investment opportunity. Despite a decline in stock prices attributed to regulatory concerns, many analysts continue to maintain a buy rating, suggesting that Alphabet's long-term outlook remains strong especially as its services expand. Nevertheless, the company faces significant regulatory challenges, including a recent ruling indicating that Google may have engaged in anti-competitive practices related to advertising pricing. This ruling could expose the company to a class action lawsuit with potential financial repercussions exceeding $100 billion. Additionally, there are concerns regarding Google's restrictions on Android Auto, which may violate European Union competition rules. On an innovative front, Google is enhancing its artificial intelligence-powered virtual try-on tools and collaborating with Qualcomm and Samsung on mixed reality glasses, demonstrating its commitment to technological advancement. Investors should remain aware of how immediate regulatory risks could influence stock performance in the short term, while Google's enduring growth strategies and innovations may encourage resilience and upside potential in the longer term. Overall, the mixed signals create a volatile environment for Alphabet, necessitating careful monitoring. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned GOOG an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 10th of July, 2024, it was reported that Cowen and Company rated GOOG as a buy with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 8th of July, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush gave GOOG an outperform rating alongside a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 11th of June, 2024, it was noted that Bank of America Securities rated GOOG as a buy with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 22nd of May, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned GOOG a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024. So far, the stock has appreciated by approximately 0.5%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, trading volume decreased during the last session despite the rise in prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been observed, potentially impacting short-term developments. The Google stock presently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Furthermore, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, indicating that the long-term average is above the short-term average. On any upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $162.06 and $167.60. A breakout above either of these points would trigger buy signals. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest to you. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 32 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 17 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $157.81. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. Overall, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with it is considered very low. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.48 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.21%. Over the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.44%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This key metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard, often observed in companies with established histories or consistent revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2024. The consensus estimates from analysts are set at $1.83. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at 160.54. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at 157.81. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is classified as a buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 17th of June, 2024, Chavez R. Martin executed an insider purchase of 5 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 17th of June, 2024, Chavez R. Martin executed another insider purchase of 2 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 17th of June, 2024, Arnold Francis executed an insider purchase of 2 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the same date, Arnold Francis made another insider purchase of 2 additional shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 17th of June, 2024, Arnold Francis also executed an insider purchase of 1 share of Class C Google stock units. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 16.056. In total, insiders acquired 1,074,694 shares and sold 1,516,434 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative assessment for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google presents several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of September, we predict that Google will open up approximately 448 ten-thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $159.05. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.